Welcome everyone in this new live development video tutorial about building an auto chess game. This video is not going to be really project dependent, it's just going to be regarding all of our project. I'm just going to shut down Discord for the duration of the videos. So you can skip that video if you... what are we going to do? We're going to customize the project icon and loading screen. So you can skip that video if you are not interested in that, but I really suggest you that you follow and you do this, because doing this is like a huge buff to your motivation to work on the project. And if you don't believe me, you will just do the simple step I do, and you will see the difference in behavior it creates. So as you can see, for example, in my projects, I have several projects where I customize the icon, and regarding this, it's buffing my motivation to click on them, but it's not really so hyping. But for our own project, we're going to make something really hypey. So let's just what I do is, like, I type in auto chess, like, I don't know, wallpaper, and I'm going to pick one that is hyping, something that makes me want to work on that project. And I don't know which one to pick, but yeah, that one. That's the one I use for the YouTube thumbnail videos. So I'm just going to save that on my desktop. I'm going to open that up. So how did we call it? We called it it's called auto chess. We want to make that a little bit smaller. I think we want that to be like 900, like this. I'm going to save, and then we're going to our project settings, go to Windows. In here, editor splash is going to be on our desktop, is going to be auto chess, and support image format. That's because we want to have a BMP or a PNG. So we're going to save that under on a PNG like this, and we're going to re-upload it. So if we go to our desktop, now it's working, and it's going to ask us to save the files. We want to import them like this. Then we want to close up our project and we want to rerun it. So we want auto battler. So we have some kind of image now, and we will customize it a bit further. We'll add no, I didn't want to do this. We'll add something like this. Auto chess project. We'll make it a bit smaller. We're going to remove the union. I don't know how it's called in English. The union bar. So auto chess projects. So as you can see, this is like a cheap Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. I'm sorry about this. It's a little bit shame. So we're going to rename it auto chess. Yes, okay. And then we're going to do our the icon we have here. So how can we modify this? In the same thing, project thumbnail. It asks for 192 in size, so we need to make that as big. So we're just going to remove that layer, and we want to pick a square, to pick something in a square. I'm going to pick that, for instance. I'm going to make that a square, 500 like this, and we're going to see if that fits us. I think I'm just going to move it a bit on the right, like this, and I think I'm going to be fine with this. And we're also going to add a bit of text, AC for instance, yeah, like this, and we're going to make that bigger. Auto chess. Let's call this OK. We're going to save this into a PNG file. We're going to call that auto chess thumbnail. Yes, we want to save that. And back in our project, we want to go there and find the auto chess thumbnail. Yeah, we forgot to resize that. So we're going to resize it. Image size, like this. And we're going to save this into another file, which is going to be called small, like this, just so we can still have the source file. So like this AC, for instance. And if we save our project, close it, go back to our Epic Game Launcher, it didn't appear there. We're going to close our launcher, launch it back. I think we can close this. I think I don't want you to know what time is it, I think. So I'm just going to hide the taskbar. I don't know why it's not hiding. In any case, go back to our library, Auto Battler, and now we have kind of a better we are better incentivized to click on that icon. So we really like to work on our project because it has a fancy icon, so we can double click that. So you might think it sounds silly, but actually it really works. It really increases our will to work on our project, and that's something you want. If you are developing solo, you will find yourself your motivation. You're going to find your motivation coming and going around, and you do want to do everything you can to improve your motivation at working on your own projects. So it's really not the best place to put down our text here, so we're just going to modify this real quick. So if we go back there and open up, oh yeah, we didn't save that, I think. If we open up, yeah, we didn't save so we'll have to do it back, I think. Auto chess JPEG, so we want to do something like auto chess like this. We want to make that smaller, and I don't know, maybe there. We want to fix the size of this. Oh no, it's already at the right size. We want to save this as a PNG like this, and I think we can just re-import it. Oh yeah, well, we can. Yeah, we can. Auto chess like this, and we will be fine with this. It's going to wrap up that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.